Hey guys, my name is John Maness, and I wanted to talk about the Shure SM7B again. I just posted a video on voiceover work for with the Shure. Um, Not using it right now. I'm talking into a iRig mic, cheap little $100 mic that I dig. I might do another video on that, but I wanted to talk about playing trumpet into the Shure mic, which is the first time that's how I was exposed to it for the first time. I did a session for this guy Spence who owned this mic, and I'm sure he was using it for vocals, but I remember playing into it and really liking how it sounded. So I always had that in the back of my head, and I found a good deal on this mic used, so I picked it up, and here's what it sounds like. There, there we go. One man show here. So uh, let me show you what quickly what I have going on with the signal chain here. So uh, Neve 1084 preamps somewhat hot. It's a quiet mic, so um, I think I was using 70 for vocals, but I love how the Neve saturates. So I have it at 60, and then turned it down a little bit here at the fader, and using low impedance, and just I don't know, it just thickens it a little bit, not as clear sounding. So then from there, I always do this Ocean Ways. I use Studio B horns, um, and this is my EQ setting just to darken the room a little bit. And I put on this aligned setting for the close mic, which is the only one on, and that cuts out any latency it's very small, but for recording in real time, having the aligned setting is huge. And then that's I adjust this depending on the project, how much of the room tone I want, but it's generally around there. So then from there, going to 176 tube mic. I think I just adjusted the headroom. That's about it. Um, gave it, gave it a little more headroom, so it's less sensitive. Um, and then I followed that up with a second compressor, the Neve 2254E. Also just another thick thumpy compressor with very gentle settings. Neither one's working super hard, but the two together create a really nice tone and handle all the dynamics of the trumpet. Very dynamic instrument. Very tricky to track, but having these two in help. And then last but not least, I've been throwing the Poletech on last lately. A very gentle shelf at 3,000 or here over here 3,000 kilohertz, and it sounds great just leaving it flat and turning it on. Just having it run through the tubes of the Poletech, but this is just adding a little air, and yeah, that's what all these sound like. Let me I'll disable everything but the preamp, and then I'll turn each one on. See here what's going on. Mm-mm-mm. Then Ocean Way. Yeah, so this I would describe this chain as like um very analog 70s sounding, with the mix of like some uh just 70s and 60s gear together, tube and solid state. And this is not necessarily a modern sound, but like for like a funky track, which let's see, I have that somewhere. Where is that? Oh no, did I close out of it? Darn it. Keeping it funky fresh. Here it is. We're doing it live. Here's what that sounds like. Yeah. Turn on some reverb and delay. Yeah. So I think that's all I want to show today. I mean, if you're interested, I'll just quickly pull up the effects. So love Galaxy Tape Echo. Kind of a slow delay with some feedback, and both the wet and dry signal go into pure plate with a low cut, uh, killing all the treble. So the dry signal comes through, a little pre-delay, and fully wet. So the delay and dry signal are both wet in this aux. So that's how I'm routing everything. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. And I'll be posting more videos soon, with gear that I own and how I use it in my studio. So thanks for watching.